All right, cool guys. So like a lot of you, I imagine, I was really excited about OpenClaw when it first came out about 2 months ago. I wanted to build an agent that makes money for me overnight, builds products, all of these types of things. But my ambitions got a lot smaller over time when I realized issues like memory were like fucking up my vibe. It was not very fun. Maybe Shashank's thing will actually fix this. But my ambitions have actually gotten a lot smaller since then. So one of the things I built is actually Momentum, just a tool for myself. So for example, this is like a personal OS, let's say. So one of the goals I have personally is to get to 12% body fat. And let me talk about how I'm using OpenClaw here. So the first thing is I have my Whoop synced up over here. So I went on a run, so you can see 19.1 strain. Yeah, long day. But I also have my nutrition synced up over here. So these are the macro targets that I have. And the way I use OpenClaw is actually quite simple. I just tell it like, what did I eat? So like this is earlier today. I just took some photos of, this was my plate. I said log it, and then it tells me this is my macros for the day. And then I gave it my workout. Now actually I set up the Whoop integration so it can also look at my workouts and say like, okay, based on this, you should be eating more, you should be eating less. And then, yeah, once I eat my dinner, then it says, okay, you still have this much to go for the night. You can have a smoothie, whatever. So I ended up having a mixed berry smoothie, which it also knew about. So pretty simple, but pretty practical and something I actually use every day. So, yeah.
Very nice, very, very nice.
Thank you.
Hey, we want to ask you a question.
Yeah, for sure.
From where you are bringing all that
For Whoop? I mean,
food and the sport and the things and like.
yeah, so for food, I mean, I just take photos. It's connected to this is my Claudia, is what I call my OpenClaw. But I just send photos, and then it logs it on a daily basis, right? So you can see it broke down the menu for dinner, and then broke it down by calories, protein, carbs, and fat. And then that gets automatically logged into Momentum. The way I actually have it set up here is I set up an API key. So actually I use it for content as well. But here's an API key that connects to Claudia, and then it automatically logs the macros, and it can also read my workout data based on Whoop, and it can tell me what I need to change on a daily basis.